Hey everybody, Lisa Rowberry here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a super exciting day because we are going to be unboxing my very first Whiff Box. That's right, I finally received mine and I can't wait to rip into this. I have not yet gotten into this box, so we're gonna unbox it together. If you are newer to Scentsy or newer to my channel and you're wondering, what the heck is a Whiff Box? What is she talking about? A Whiff Box is actually Scentsy's newest subscription service. So it's just like those other subscription boxes. There's like FabFitFun, there's Ipsy, there's all kinds of subscription services now, and Scentsy is dipping into that. So I couldn't be more excited because it's basically like you're getting a surprise gift every month if you choose to purchase it every month. So this is the very first one. So we're gonna go ahead and rip into this, shall we? Well, first let's just talk about how pretty the box is anyway. I love it. And it's a pretty sturdy box, so if you wanted to like store your bars in here or anything like that, you totally could. So, all right. So of course, Scentsy always outdoes themselves with the packaging. So I'm gonna try to hold this up. Hopefully I can get everything in frame. So on the inside of the lid here, it says Scentsy Whiff Box, scent with love. Hashtag happy whiffing. Super cute. Then we've got this little paper here. Let's see what this says. So it's got a little heart here, and then on the back, it tells us a little bit more about the Scentsy Whiff Box, and then we've got a little poster of all the items that I think are going to be in here. So let's see here. So on the back of this paper, Scentsy Whiff Box, we're so excited to offer you a new way to experience Scentsy every month. Brimming with new scents and fun surprises, Whiff Box is designed to delight. Thank you for your purchase. Live, love, whiff. Heidi Thompson, President. This is amazing. Share your unboxing moment with hashtag happy whiffing. So just a little bit of information about the Whiff Box, and it's basically like you're opening up a present to yourself. I love the tissue. I love all the little details. I'm kind of a sucker for that stuff, so I love it. So I really hope you can see this here. Ooh, awesome. Okay, kind of strange here. Okay, so it is still pretty warm here in California, so they did stick an ice pack in here. Normally the ice packs come in like a Mylar pouch, but they just went ahead and just stuck it right in the box itself. Totally fine. So, okay, so let's jump in here. So first big item, full-size item, is the bathroom cleaner in lemon verbena. And if you saw my last haul, I actually added this to my haul. I haven't yet tried it, so I was actually just out of town for a little bit. I have a feeling this upcoming week I will be putting this to some good use because my house needs a little bit of cleaning. So this is supposed to be really great. I've heard nothing but really good things about our bathroom cleaner. I just haven't yet used it. So you get a full size of that. I love that it comes in lemon verbena because that is my favorite scent in our cleaning products. Okay, you also get a blue Grotto bath bomb. This is a brand new scent for the bath bombs. So, and honestly, I can already smell it. It smells so good. This is really strong. It's really sweet too. So it's blue and white, and even inside of the bath bomb box has some tissue in there too, like you're opening up a little gift. Like I said, I'm a sucker for the details. So you get a bath bomb. We also have a Go-Go Mango hand soap, which is great. This is another new addition. Excited about that. We also have a scent circle in red cedar and sage. I'll probably stick this in my husband's truck. He just left town to go camping, so I have a feeling when he gets back he's gonna have a stinky truck. So this is probably gonna go in the truck. So red cedar and sage, that's another new scent. And then we have a bar of Amber Hollow, which is the new scent of the month for this month, for September. And it smells really good, you guys. This one is a really strong one. So if you like really strong scents, if you are a big fan of clove. You have to like clove. If you don't like clove, you're gonna hate this. But that is the scent of the month for September. So we got a full bar there. And then we have some little scent samples. So I love that Scentsy's doing this. This is awesome. We have 3 scent samples. One is Lavender Cotton. I'm not gonna open these up just yet, just because I have smelled the Lavender Cotton and I'm not ready to warm this just yet. But it comes in just this little like cup. This looks like it's a pretty decent sample. It doesn't have like the actual size of this, like fluid ounces, but this looks like it's probably 2 cubes worth. So Lavender Cotton. And this is like sealed shut. So I think when you open it, you probably need to use it. So we also have Porch Pumpkin. This is what I am so excited about. So this is a little sneak peek of the scent of the month for October. So if you want some sneak sniffing, if you will, and you're not a consultant, so you can't subscribe to the scent and warmer of the month every month to get your hands on the scent of the month early, you can subscribe to the Whiff Box and you can get a little sample of the scent of the month for the next month a little bit early. So, and I'm actually really happy I have this because there was some delay in the shipping of the scent and warmer of the month for next month. So I don't actually have my kit yet. So it's coming this week, but I haven't actually sniffed this out yet. We should sniff it out together. So this is called Butter Pecan. Let's sniff it out, shall we? I don't know if I can get this sucker open. Okay. This smells so good. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. This is so good. This has a really nice warm vanilla, bakery vanilla, and you definitely get that nutty pecan note. Oh, that's so good. And this would be amazing for mixing. Actually, this would be amazing to mix with the Amber Hollow. Do a little bit of mixing here. The Butter Pecan will totally like mellow out that clove note in the Amber Hollow, I think. But honestly, I think this is gonna be amazing all by itself. Oh, that's so good. So I will be popping this in one of my warmers probably tonight. So that is what comes in the Whiff Box. Now that is for September. I do believe that the Whiff Boxes for the entirety of the month, they will all be the same. However, I do think that they are going to change. I know, they are going to change each month. So everyone who ordered a Whiff Box during the month of September, they have gotten all of these products. Now, if you subscribe to it in October, you're gonna have all different products, and we don't know what comes in it. Even as consultants, it's a surprise. We don't know what comes inside of these boxes, so it's a fun little surprise to look forward to. I do know that we are supposed to get some between 5 and 8 full-size products, and then a handful of samples as well. So it's a good value. The Whiff Boxes are $30, and let's just do a little breakdown to see what we got here. So the bathroom cleaner is $8. The hand soap, the Go-Go Mango hand soap, is $6. The Scent Circle is $3. The bath bomb is $8. I should probably show you the correct side. The bar, the full-size bar, is $6. And then you've got these samples, and there's obviously no real price on the samples because we don't sell the samples. So just in full-size products, you're getting $31 worth of products. So you are getting your value for the full-size products, but then you're getting these hefty samples here. Let me even see if I can pop this sucker out. This is easily 2 cubes of wax. Ooh, I'm dropping things. This is easily 2 cubes of wax. So this is not a stingy sample at all. So I would say it's definitely worth the $30 for sure. And this gives you a chance to try out some different products, try out some different scents that maybe you wouldn't have tried otherwise. So, and it's just really fun. So you get, it's $30. This is something that you can subscribe to monthly if you like. You can add it to your Scentsy Club subscription. If you didn't see how to do that, I will link that video down below. Otherwise, you can just order it on your own every single month if you like to, and just know that the products will differ each month, but within that month. So if you order 2 boxes in September, they're likely going to be the same exact box. So just know that, but they will change month to month, if that makes sense. So, all right, you guys, there you have it. There is my very first Scentsy Whiff Box. They have done a fantastic job. I think this is totally worth it, and it's really, really fun. So if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I will leave my contact information down below. Please feel free to contact me. If you are new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.